So today we have this cheap stylus from Insignia. You can get this for just under $10 here. Does not have any Bluetooth capability. It just has the fiber tip here at the bottom. And let us go ahead and use this with the Samsung A9 Plus. So basically this stylus is really just going to be replacing your fingers. And I guess the real benefit is that it doesn't get any smudges or prints on your tablet. So let's go ahead and use it. As you can see here, we're in settings. That is pretty good. So navigation seems to be pretty decent here. So yeah, overall, that is pretty good. Let's go ahead and go on into Samsung Notes and let us start drawing. So first thing we're going to try is obviously we got the pen tool up here selected. Let's go hello, exclamation mark. As you can see, I guess what do you call this? Gradients or different levels of shade also works, as you can see here. Let's go on and clear this all off. The unfortunate thing like this with the Samsung tablets, you don't have palm projection. So if I put my palm here and then I start writing, as you can see here, nothing comes up on the screen. Unfortunately, you do have to keep your palm off the tablet and it works. So Sean Sims Tech, there you go. So I guess if you really want to, I guess, kind of take notes, this is the perfect little stylus that you can get. Again, it's under $10. And I guess I'll be doing a series with this. Started at the low end here for $10 and I'll work my way up. Maybe I'll get some Bluetooth styluses. Let me know what you think. And that's it for this quick review here. Again, this is the Insignia Slim Stylus. I think you can get this at Best Buy or at Amazon. Again, comes with just the fiber tip here at the bottom. No Bluetooth capabilities, no charging ports on here, nothing. Just a simple pointing device that could basically replace your fingers. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned.